Hello everyone. In this page, the topic is opposite. So here the child will identify the opposite. Match the opposite words to the picture. So here the elephant, the picture of an elephant and a snail is given over here. So elephant is big and the snail is small. So this will go with this big and small. So big is the opposite word of small. Next is a pillow and a stone. So pillow is soft whereas the stone is hard. So it will go over here soft and hard. You can also show some similar objects from your surrounding to the child which are soft and hard to let them actually see those objects and then understand the opposite words. Here the arrow goes up, here the arrow goes down. So it is up and down. So up is the opposite of down. Next is over here the puppy is outside and here the puppy is inside. So outside and inside are the two opposite words. So here it is inside and outside. Next is happy and sad. So happy and sad, it will go over here as happy is the opposite word of sad. The last one is hot and cold. So it goes with this hot and cold over here. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को अपोजिट वर्ड्स का इंट्रोडक्शन करवाया गया है. तो यहाँ पे कुछ पिक्चर्स दिए गए हैं जिससे बच्चे अपोजिट वर्ड्स को सीख पाए. आप आपके सराउंडिंग में से भी कई ऑब्जेक्ट्स यूज कर सकते हैं बच्चों को आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए, जैसे कि स्पॉन्ज है, पिलो है. सो दोज आर द सॉफ्ट ऑब्जेक्ट एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो शो देम सम हार्ड ऑब्जेक्ट्स फ्रॉम योर सराउंडिंग. और ऐसे कई एग्जाम्पल्स आप उनको दे सकते हैं और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करवाना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the child has to identify the opposites. So here they have to match the opposite word. So here the word is big. So opposite of big is small. So they will match it over here. Next is soft. Opposite of soft is hard. So they have to match this over here. This is inside. Opposite of inside is outside, which is given over here. Next is happy and sad. So happy and sad are opposite to each other. The next is hot and cold. So hot and cold are opposite to each other. So the child has to match it over here. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को अपोजिट वर्ड्स को आइडेंटिफाई करना है और दिए गए पैर्स को मैच करना है. तो उनको टर्न बाय टर्न ये वर्ड्स को रीड करना है और दूसरी साइड जो वर्ड्स को दिया है उनको कनेक्ट करना है, मैच करना है करेक्ट अपोजिट पैर को फाइंड करके. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. In this page, the child will identify the opposites. So here they have to match the opposite words to the picture. So here the cat is near the tree and here the cat is far away from the tree. So the words are near and far. So near and far are opposite words. After that, here the hare is running fast and the tortoise is running slow. So slow and fast, they both are opposite words. After that, it's daytime over here as the sun, the picture of sun is given, and it's the night time as the picture of moon is given. So the child has to match it day and night. Next is the picture of aeroplane which is given. So this is below the cloud and this is above the cloud. So above and below both are opposite words. Next is here it is dry. Here it is wet. So wet and dry, they both are opposite to each other. Next is new and old. So new and old, they both are opposite to each other. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को अपोजिट वर्ड्स को आइडेंटिफाई करके पिक्चर को मैच करना है करेक्ट अपोजिट वर्ड्स के साथ और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है। एम्फसाइज करिए कि ये वर्कशीट कंप्लीट होने के बाद भी बच्चे अपोजिट वर्ड्स को पढ़ रहे हैं और यहाँ पिक्चर के बेसिस पे उसको आइडेंटिफाई कर पा रहे हैं कि नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। थैंक यू। Hello everyone. In this page, the child has to identify the opposites. So here they have to match the opposite pair. So here the first one is near. So the opposite word of near is far. So the child will be matching it over here. Next is slow. So the opposite word of slow is fast, which is given over here. Next is night. So the opposite word of night is day, which is given over here. Then it is above. So the opposite word of above is below, which is given over here. Next is wet. The opposite word of wet is dry, which is given over here. So the child has to identify the opposites over here and they have to match the pair. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को अपोजिट्स को आइडेंटिफाई करके उनको मैच करना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है। थैंक यू। हेलो एवरीवन, हियर द टॉपिक इज यूज अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ अपोजिट्स। सो हियर the instruction is tick the smiling or sad face according to the picture. So here a picture is given. The child has to observe the picture and then they have to tick either the sad face or the smiling face as per the given picture. Yeah, yummy ice cream. I am feeling. So the girl over here seems happy over here. So the child has to tick the smiley face. After that, oops, I dropped my ice cream. So, I am feeling. So, how is the girl feeling? Emphasize the child on observing both the pictures over here. So, here the girl is feeling sad. So, here the child will take the sad face. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को अपोजिट वर्ड्स की अंडरस्टैंडिंग यहाँ पे रिफ्लेक्ट करी गई है। तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को सबसे पहले ऑब्जर्व करना है दोनों पिक्चर्स को और ये गर्ल जो है वो सैड है कि हैप्पी है उसका फेस, तो वो पिक्चर को देख के उनको टिक करना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है। थैंक यू। हेलो एवरीवन, in this page the topic is use understanding of opposites. So here the child has to tick the correct word for each sentence. So here the sentence is it is day or night time. So emphasize the child to observe the given picture over here. So here the child has just wake up and you have to tell the child that what you can see over here, whether it is sun or moon. So then it is daytime. So the child will tick on the word day. Here it is day or night time. So here you have to emphasize the child on observing the picture. Here the stars and the moon is visible. So it is night time. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को अपोजिट वर्ड्स के बारे में बताया गया है। यहाँ पे कुछ सेंटेंसेस है जो बच्चों को आइडेंटिफाई करना है सिचुएशन और उसके अकॉर्डिंग जो अपोजिट वर्ड्स है उनको टिक मार्क करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है। थैंक यू। हेलो एवरीवन, इन दिस पेज द टॉपिक इज यूज अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ अपोजिट्स. So here the child has to complete the sentence. If we go out in rain, we get. So you have to emphasize the child on thinking the situation like that if they go out in the rain, what will they get? So they will get wet or they will get dry. So here the correct word is wet. So the child has to write wet over here. Next is after washing clothes, we dash them. So after washing clothes, we dry them. So the child has to write dry over here. And after writing this, you have to again bring it to the child's notice that wet and dry, they both are opposite words. They are opposite to each other. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को opposite words को use करके ये दिए गए sentence को complete करना है. Thank you. Hello everyone. In this page, the topic is use understanding of opposites. So here the child has to observe the picture and write the correct word. So here an aeroplane is flying dash the clouds. So let the child observe the picture whether the aeroplane is flying below the clouds or above the clouds. So here the aeroplane is flying below the clouds. So the child will write it over here below. Next situation is an aeroplane is flying dash the clouds. So here the aeroplane is flying above the clouds. So let the child observe the picture over here and then let them identify the correct word from the given bracket and complete the blanks. Also bring it to their notice that below and above are opposite words, that is they both are opposite to each other. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को अपोजिट वर्ड्स का कहाँ पे यूज हो रहा है रियल लाइफ में वो बताया गया है। तो बच्चों को ब्रैकेट में दिए गए वर्ड्स को यहाँ पे ब्लैंक में लिखना है और ये ब्लैंक्स को कंप्लीट करना है। थैंक यू।